Hello, Chennai, and it is always a pleasure to talk to you. And we have Dr. Rehane Khan to you, and it is our pleasure and honor to have Rehane Khan, the co-founder of Orthomed Hospitals and Sunray Scans, with us as a guest of honor today for our Eid and festive edit. And we'd like to hear from Rehane Khan how the exhibition is.
Style Bazaar has been a favorite exhibition actually. சென்னையோட ஸ்டார் எக்ஸிபிஷன்னாலே அது வந்து ஸ்டைல் பஜாராக தான் இருக்கும். We will be very eager to waiting for ஸ்டைல் பஜார் and being ரம்ஜான் டைம்னால வந்து மிட் நைட் வரைக்கும் அவங்க வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ we can shop till drop அந்த மாதிரி. Best wishes to Sheetal for more and more events like this.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you here, and it'll be a pleasure having all of you all here. And you will love the collection. It is on 11th and 12th of March, and in 11th we have it till 1 o'clock in the night. So please be here to shop till you drop, as she said, and shop your favorite brands, whether it is wedding, bridesmaid, summer collection, for your home, bed sheets, footwear, bags, everything is here. So don't miss Style Bazaar 11 12 March, Hyatt Regency, Tenampet. See you all here.